Lord. Today we're going to study from Mark chapter 9 verse 23. Jesus said unto him, If thou can believe, all things are possible to him that believe. So Jesus is saying all things are possible to those who believe. Not some things, not small things, not big things, but all things are possible to those who believe. And I have seen in my life and also in the lives of others, when people believe, they receive. They receive from God. When you believe in the word of God, when you believe in the promises of God, when you believe in the sovereignty of God, God will definitely make a way to show you that He is sovereign and that He is there for you whenever you need Him, and that He will help you and that He will bring you out of whatever trouble you are in. So all things are possible to those who believe, whether it be financial troubles, whether it be health issues, whether it be mental issues, whether it be emotional issues, whatever issue it may be. When you believe in God that He is going to make you come out of it, that He is going to heal you of whatever problem you have, whatever disease you have, He is going to restore back to you your health, and He's going to restore back to you your life, and He's going to heal your emotions, and He's going to heal your mind, whatever it may be. When you believe in Him, He will do it. The key to receiving from God is believing in Him. We need to trust in Him. We need to believe that He is going to do the impossible in your life. When you believe that He is going to do the impossible in your life, even if you cannot comprehend the impossible, it is not for us to comprehend. But even if we cannot believe what God is going to do in our lives, we need to still believe that He is going to do the impossible, because He is a God who can move mountains. He is a God who can make rivers in the wilderness, streams in the desert. He is a God who will make a way in the wilderness for us, and He will make a way so that we will come out of it, that we will be victorious, because we belong to a God who is victorious. He will make sure that we are also victorious in every situation that we come across in our lives. So Jesus is saying, He was saying to this father who came to Jesus with his son who had a dumb spirit, and he asked Jesus to heal him, because the demon in him was troubling this boy so much. It was causing him to get fits, and he was falling on the floor, and many a times it tried to kill him by casting him into the fire and into the waters to destroy him. So sometimes the devil will cast you into the fire and he will cast you into the waters to destroy you. But you remember one thing, that Jesus is there to save you. He said, I will be with you in the waters, I will be with you in the fire, and He will take you out of it. So the devil might come to destroy you, but he will not succeed. When you believe in Jesus, when you believe in God, He will never let you down. He will never cause you to be ashamed. He will never cause you to be disappointed. He will never send anyone back disappointed. Everyone who came to Jesus did not go back disappointed, because they believed in Him. So the key to receiving from God the impossible is believing in Him.